When I was a child, never seen the Little Bird Pictures books. But now, when my children has in the Great Britain, because I am from Poland, I know a lot of Lady Bird Pictures books because I'm reading together with my children. But I thinking about connection between Lady Bird books and Poland, and I draw a special poem from every Polish child. This is about little Paul. Who are you? The title. And this is my project about Ladybird picture book, but topic Poland. This is my book. Władysław Belza. This is based on the story by Władysław Belza, but Jolanta Sulash was illustrated. And my first page is Who are you? A little Paul. What is your sign? White eagle. Where do you live? Among my countrymen. In which country? On Polish land. What is this land? This is my homeland. How it was taken over? With blood and scare. Do you love it? I love it sincerely. What do you believe in? I believe in Poland. Thank you.